welcome back to the channel. You guys can read the title. I have a few mods for you guys today. So you can see, I've done just a little bit touch-ups. This is my first mod I did. Carbon fiber shift knob. This is from my Prelude. So this used to be my Prelude, but I changed to a black one. And now I have no use for this, so I just toss it in here. It looks really nice, but it looks kind of funny because the long stick. But in the future, I will be putting a boot in here to kind of like make it look cleaner, I guess you could say. So that's for the future. The second mod I did was this antenna, guys. You guys see this antenna? You guys remember the old one was long and like broken? So I ordered a universal carbon fiber one. It's not real carbon fiber. It just has the carbon fiber design on it. But yeah, guys, it looks way better like this. And guys, this is probably one of my favorite mod on the car. Bam, baby! Check that out. A little duckbill for it, and it looks pretty fucking nice. Makes it look a lot better. It doesn't make the top look so like, I guess you could say awkward. Like I like the lift. It looks good. So that's just a few little mods that I did so far. That's just 3 mods, guys. Right now, I'm gonna be doing my 4th mod, which, guys, I'm gonna be doing a resonator delete on the car. So my car is gonna be louder, and hopefully it sounds pretty good. So without further ado, let's get down, jack up the car, and put the jack stands under under my wood blocks, because I don't trust jack stands, so I use wood blocks, because you know with the wood block, the car will go into the wood, so it won't like slide, I guess you can say. So I'm using wood blocks, guys. Wood blocks, and the jack stands for extra support. So without further ado, let's get down, let's get this thing jacked up, and let's get the resonator deleted. Alright, guys, cut off this fat motherfucker. This freaking resonator is heavy as shit, guys. Heavy motherfucking resonator. So we cut this bitch out. The reason why I cut it like this is because there's a bracket in the way. If I cut it like this, I can just insert my tube in. So we'll be putting a straight pipe through there. So we'll be putting this straight pipe through there, stainless steel, straight through there, and it should fit in just right, guys. This is a 2-inch. Yeah, so this is a 2-inch. Look at that. Perfect. So this will go in there perfectly, and I will have to do some welds on this end. So that will be fun. So you guys can see, check this baby out. New exhaust tip, looks fire. I made it stick out a little bit more so it looks better. Because yeah, look, from here it looks way better, because earlier it was super tucked in and it did not look good, and the tip doesn't look as good as this one. So this one looks better. Put a new tip on it. Hey guys, go under the car. Yup, I'm straight pipe now. Psych. No, it's just a resonator delete. It looks pretty good. You guys can see, I put some exhaust seal on it to make sure I seal away any holes. So I gotta let that dry up for a little bit, and then we can start off and like let it heat up for 10 minutes, and it should be all good to go, guys.
A few moments later.
She doesn't sound so good. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Yeah, so the thing didn't seal good, or it didn't dry correctly, I guess you could say. So it didn't seal properly. So this is gonna go on to tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna go get some exhaust tape and tape it up so that it can actually seal better. So I'm not gonna show you guys exhaust revving clips just yet. So guys, on to the next day. Let's go. Alright guys, next day, finally picked up some Tiger Patch exhaust tape. So let's go and install these guys. So before you guys install this, you gotta let your car idle for a little bit, because that exhaust needs to be warm to apply this properly. So I'm gonna let the exhaust. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit. So I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit. I'm gonna have the car fully warm up first, because it is pretty cold. So guys, I'll let the car fully warm up because by the time the car fully warms up, the exhaust should be at a good warm temperature already. So I'm gonna let the car fully warm up. Then we're gonna jack up the car. So the front of the car is already up on ramps, but I'm gonna jack up the front of the car, and then put it on jack stands and make sure the jack is there for extra support. Then we can go under the car, wrap off the exhaust leaks, and then I'll show you guys the next step, guys. Alright guys, so you guys see me just fine. So this is what she looks like. Yeah, it didn't work out so good. You see there's a crack there because of the leak. So we're gonna put tape on there. We're gonna tape it on real good. We're gonna try to do our best right there. Right there is gonna be a part of an issue because the hanger's right there. Over here it's gonna be easier, but gotta do our best, guys. Let's do this. The exhaust is warm, so let's go ahead and start now. So this is how it looks like wrapped up. On this side as well. It's winter, so it's gonna be pretty cold. So best way to do this when you guys are wrapping, preheat the tape first, or it's gonna be like not like sticky at all. So you want to preheat it and then start wrapping it. So I preheated it and then I wrapped it, and then now what I'm doing is I'm actually heating it up again. So by heating it up like this will actually help it harden up. So that's why you want to heat up. On the instruction, it tells you to idle the car for at least 10 minutes, but I don't want to do that because it's gonna build pressure on the inside of the pipes, and that's just gonna cause more leaks, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna do this until it hardens up. So I'm just warming it up like this until it hardens up, and then yeah. So guys, I'll get back to you guys when this thing is all done and ready to go, guys. Now that the car is all done, you guys don't hear it anymore from right under the car. Now you guys hear it from the back. So guys, let's go give you guys some sound clips. This is before and after, guys. Alright guys, so that's it for my video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little mod and all the other little mods too. So my car still has a few more mods that I want to put on it, but for right now, this is how the car is gonna sit. Alright guys, so this is it for my video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't. And most importantly, turn on your notifications. Hit that bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos. But without further ado, guys, peace out. See you guys next time.